Good morning, sir. My name is Lokesh, and my topic is Natural Language Processing based software testing, a semantic literature review on applied AI. I'm holding the PIN number of 25955 L810. So, introduction. I'm presenting my topic of neutral language processing based on my software testing, a semantical literature review under the subject Applied Artificial Intelligence. The presentation focuses on natural language processing, which is a key area of artificial intelligence. Is being used to improve software testing process. Software testing is an essential phase of software development, but traditional testing methods are often time consuming, manual, and error prone. At the traditional testing methods are large amounts of software related, such as requirements, documents, bug techniques, or automatically understand and analysis. So, background and motivation. Software systems are becoming increasingly complex, and ensuring their quality is more challenging that than even traditional software testing techniques rely heavily on manual effort and predefined test cases, which may not scale well for large systems. And at the same time, software developments generates huge amount of textual informations, such as requirement specifications, design documents, defect reports, and customer feedbacks. Manual analysis this information for testing purposes is insufficient and costly. Natural language processing offers a way automatically extract a meaningful information from tests. The motivation behind NPL based on software testing is to reduce manual effort, improve test coverage, and detects early. Researchers and practitioners are exploring how AI techniques can enhance testing efficiently. This growing interest has led a large body of researchers making a semantic literature review necessary to understand the current trends and gaps. So, what is natural language processing? Here is the main topic for natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NPL combines techniques from linguistics, machine learning, and statistics to process text and speech data. Commonly, NPL text include tokenization, a part of speech tagging, and named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and text qualification. In context of software engineering, NPL is used to analyze textual artifacts such as requirements, documents, and bug reports. For example, NPL can identify key actions, entities, and conditions from requirements written in plain English. This capability makes NPL highly suitable for automating software testing tasks. Understanding NPL fundamentals is essentially to appreciate how can be applied efficiency in software testing. So, overview of software testing. Software testing is the process of evaluating a software system to ensure it meets specified requirements and works correctly. It involves activities such as a test case design, test execution, defect detection, and reporting. Traditional testing approaches include manual testing and automated testing based on predefined scripts. While these methods are effective, they require significant human efforts and may miss hidden defects. So, testing artificials such as test cases and bugs reports often written in natural language. This creates an opportunity to apply NPL techniques, natural language processing techniques, to analyze and generate test related information automatically. From an applied AI perspective, integration NPL into software testing can enhance accuracy, efficiency, and scalability. This integration is a key focus of recent researches. So why NPL, natural language processing, is needed in software testing? NPL is needed in software testing because much of the information used in testing is understood and unstructured and written in natural language. Requirements documents often contain ambiguity and inconsistency. The techniques can automatically analyze these texts to identify potential defects and inconsistencies. Next year, for example, NPL can detect missing requirements or conflicting statements. It can also help prioritize test cases based on textual descriptions. By automating these tasks, natural language processing reduces manual efforts and improves test quality. This makes NPL based testing highly relevant in modern software development environments, especially Agile and DevOps settings. So, what is a systematic literature review? A systematic literature review, or SLR, is a structured method of uh, identifying, analyzing, and synthesizing existing research or a specific topic. Unlike traditional surveys on SLR research questions, selecting relevant database, applying inclusion and exclusion criteria, and analyzing selected studies. In this presentation, the SLR focuses on NLP based on software testing techniques. The goal is to understand what methods have been proposed, or what problems they addresses, and what results they achieve. Conducting an SLR helps identifying research trends, challenges, and gaps. This makes it a valuable approach in applied artificial intelligence research. Research questions in literature review. The, sy- the systematic literature review on NLP based software testing is guided by uh, several key research questions. These questions focus on understanding how NLP techniques are applied in different testing activities. For example, on a research question may ask what type of natural language processing techniques are commonly used in software testing. Another question may focus on which testing phase benefits most from NLP, such as requirements analysis or text case generations. Additional questions may explore the advantages and limitations of NLP based approaches. By addressing these researchers' questions, the review provides a structured overview of existing works. This helps researchers and practitioners understand the current state of field and identify the future research opportunities. NLP techniques used in software testing. The natural, the literature reviews that a variety of NLP techniques are used in software testing. These include texting pre-processing methods such as tokenization and streaming, as well as advanced techniques like machine learning and deep learning models. Named entity recognition is used to identify key elements such as actions and objects from requirements. Text classifications techniques helps categorization bug reports and text cases. Topic modeling is used to groups similar requirements or defects. Recently, transformer based models as BERT have gained attention for their ability to understand context. These techniques enable automated analysis and generation of testing artisans. The diversity of NLP methods highlights the growing role of AI software testing. Applications of NLP in software testing. The NLP is applied in various stages. The NLP is applied in various stages of software testing lifecycle. One common application is automatic test case generation. from neural language requirements. NLP is also used to detect ambiguities and inconsistencies in requirement documents. Bug report analysis is other major application where NLP helps classify and prioritize defects. Some studies use NLP to trace requirements to test cases, improving test coverage. Sentiments analysis is applied to user feedback to identify potential quality issues. These applications demonstrate how NLP enhances testing efficiency and effectiveness. The literature shows that NLP based on testing tools can significantly reduce manual workload. Benefits of NLP based on software testing. This is systematic literature review highlights several benefits of NLP in software testing. One major benefit is automated, sorry, which reduces the needs of manual efforts, enhances the coverage by generating the tests and requirements automatically. Challenges and limitations identified here are despite its advantages, NLP based software testing faces several challenges, and natural language is inherently ambiguous, which makes accurate interpretation difficult. So, it can be understanding these challenges is essential for applying NLP effectivity in real world testing environments. Future research directions. The literature review identifies several promising directories from future researchers, and the in these future studies may focus on real world industrial validations of NLP based on tools, integration NLP based on testing into DevOps pipelines, and another emerging trend. These directions indicate that NLP based software testing will continue to evolve as an important area applied in artificial intelligence. Conclusion. In conclusion, natural language processing based software testing represents a powerful application of artificial intelligence in software engineering. This systematic literature review provides a comprehensive overview of how NLP techniques are used to support and automated testing activities. The review highlights of key applications, benefits, and challenges associated with NLP based testing, how intelligent algorithms can solve practical problems. So, thank you for listening my presentation.